Okay, this fat boy is it's the first day of the new litter. We got some beasts over here. We got 9. I probably should have went live when it happened or recorded. We had 10, but one went dead on us. It was born like that, but so I didn't know what to do, but I probably should have. And she definitely don't like this. She be
Family road trips. Use cereal containers to bring along some healthy snacks.
Yeah, we got 9 healthy, different colors, boys and girls, different colors.
The 3-row Subaru Ascent.
She's exhausted.
Makes a Subaru
She's been eating honeycomb all day. Honeycomb with cereal to get some sugar in it. Oh. Shh. That's a secret. Yeah, we got some buddies, man. Extremes. Hey, fat boy. Right, fat boy. Yes, sir. What's my fat boy? This my hand. And y'all already see what's over there, you know. Yes, sir. Go get us a Skrilla dollar bill. If you want a puppy, we got all the information on our website and on our Instagram at onestopshop_kennels. That's one stop shop SHOPPEE_kennels. We're in Oklahoma, Dallas, and we travel a lot, like all over. We deliver the puppies. I'm about to start blogging and vlogging or whatever, so y'all can see every day how the puppies growing up. This is my first litter of puppies though, and me and my wife successfully delivered. She delivered, because Mia didn't even really like me, but it went well, and we got some healthy babies, and we're gonna keep you guys updated.